Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the vent assembly in your dishwasher. The reason why you'd have to do this is because your dishes aren't drying properly in the dishwasher. For this repair, we'll be using a screwdriver with a VT15 starbit. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Whirlpool. Now keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. Also keep in mind, we don't have a countertop for this, so we're actually using some weights to keep it weighted down so it doesn't tip over on us. So you might want to consider that when you're at home, and if you have to take out your dishwasher, make sure that you're not doing anything to tip it over and make it fall on you when you're doing a repair as well. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our dishwasher here. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take all the screws out of the door here. So now that we have all the screws out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift up the door a little bit and kind of get it back into place. However, once I get about here, we can take this door off and separate the two halves. You can do that nice and carefully because there are still a couple of wires on the inside that connect them. But there's this wire right here, and we're going to unplug that from our control board here. And all we really need to do is just pinch the two sides here and then pull it out. So this right here is our vent assembly. So in order to get that out, we're going to open up our dishwasher door here. And now we have to remove the vent grill. So I'm just going to use the end of my screwdriver that we used earlier without the bit in it, and just rotate that counterclockwise. Pull that out, and now we can close the door again. And there's just one locking tab behind this. You should be able to just pull up and it'll pop right out. So now here's our air vent gasket, and in order to remove that, we can just simply pull it right out from the assembly. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement air vent assembly. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now on the back of our assembly, we're going to put the gasket into place, and all we have to do is just push it down in all the way around. And once we've done that, you'll see this little locking tab on the back here. That's going to go into the slot right up there. And you just push that into place like so. And now we'll open our door up again. And we'll put the vent grill back into place. And we just rotate that. Make sure you push up on the vent if it needs to be, and lock that into place. Then we'll close our door up again and put our door latch assembly in place since that fell out. So now we're going to put our front panel back on, and we're just going to lift it up. And in case your door latch assembly fell off like ours did, we're just going to line it up and set it back inside of its groove right here. And now we'll plug in our front console assembly to the control board. Then we'll lift up on our front panel and slide it into place on the front of the door here. There we go. And now I'm going to open up the door. And I'm going to put the screws in the front two corners first. And that'll help hold the whole door together, and then I can get the rest in. Close up your door, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.